Hello trader. Today we will take you through step-by-step to deposit into your 1PrimeOptions real account. Go to our official website www.1primeoptions.com and log in with your real account. Go to the Secure Client area. On My Account section, choose Deposit. If you plan to deposit with crypto, select the one you prefer and set the amount and the crypto network type. Then, click Submit, and a wallet address will be automatically generated along with the crypto network type, where you should send your deposit. When you have your 1PrimeOptions wallet address, copy it. After that, go to your wallet or cryptocurrency provider where you have your funds, press the Send or Withdraw button, and paste the wallet generated from your 1PrimeOptions account to send the cryptos and complete your deposit. Trader, remember to send the cryptos through the right crypto network, because sending them through the wrong crypto network could result in the loss of your money. If you prefer to deposit by credit or debit card, bank transfer, or local payments, your account must be fully verified. Learn more in our video, How to Verify Your Account. These options are only available for some countries. To learn more, ask us on the web chat. If you need additional assistance with your deposit, please don't doubt to contact us at info@1primeoptions.com.